Are you drowning in tedious, manual tasks in Excel? Wish there was a better way? Look no further. Discover the life-changing benefits of Automnix's Excel automation and RPA solutions. With Automnix, complicated and time-consuming tasks become a breeze. Our expert team provides innovative and customized automation solutions, streamlining your processes and making your day-to-day operations simpler than ever. By automating repetitive tasks, you'll see a significant improvement in efficiency and productivity. Our advanced tools help you save time, reduce errors, and allocate your resources more effectively, ultimately leading to a more successful and profitable business. Whether you're a solopreneur or a large corporation, Automnix has got you covered. Our tailored solutions are designed to cater to businesses of all sizes, ensuring that every client reaps the rewards of automation and enjoys the competitive edge. Don't just take our word for it, experience the power of automation for yourself. Once you've tried our Excel automation and RPA solutions, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. As the saying goes, try it, and you'll adopt it. Ready to revolutionize your workflow and boost your business's efficiency? Get in touch with our friendly team at Automnix to discuss your automation needs and learn how we can help you unlock your company's full potential. Don't wait, contact us today and start enjoying the benefits of automation. Visit our website at www.automnix.com or email us at victor@automnix.com to embark on your automation journey with Automnix. We can't wait to work with you and help transform your business.